In this video, the print built-in function in Python 3. So let's start with a look at the docs. I think most Python developers have used the print function in the past, but might not be aware that there are a couple optional arguments that you can take advantage of. Namely, there's the separator, the and, choosing the file, and flush. And so we're going to take a look at these. First, I just want to show you the folder that we're working in. And the only thing I have here is the PNG file for the video itself. And let's go ahead and open up Python. So we know the basics of the print function. You can put a string in there, you can put some math in there, whatever, and you can print it out. Cool, we know this. So let's get on to the optional arguments. Let's look at sep first. So we could do something like, hey, I don't know, man. And then our sep in the middle is something that's going to go in between that. So just a common one is people like to do the dash. I don't know why. Cool. Hey, cool man. So sep just separates the first two arguments and puts something in between them. Next is the end. And so say we have a string like, hey, we can do end equals, I don't know, exclamation. What's interesting though is that it doesn't start on a, I don't know, the line structure is weird here, right? So what you actually have to do is make sure to add that new line at the end, and now it'll look nice. But if I don't have that, then it's going to look weird. So just know that end needs to be taken seriously, taken literally, and you might need that new line thing at the end. The last one I want to look at is file. So first, maybe let's create a file called, I don't know, print test.txt, and we're going to write to it, which is the W. And then in our print statement, we could do something like, I hope this appears in file, and have our file equal to F. So here we're using that optional argument of file and assigning it to this F that we created here, right? So that should have run, and what I'll do is add f.close, and we'll quit out of here, and we'll check our folder structure, and look at that. The txt file has been created, and I can open that, check it out, and boom, I hope this appears in file. It is there. We are good to go. So that is the file argument. There is one more called flush. It has to do with the buffer protocol, and I don't know all that much about it, so you can read up on that by yourself. But there you have it, the print function. Thanks so much for watching.